What we're going to do today is I'm going to quickly introduce you to an online accountancy package, a free to use online accountancy package called Wave Apps. And Wave Apps, as I mentioned, is free to use. It is online, so you can access it anytime, anywhere. And you can also share and collaborate with others while working on Wave. Now, it has a lot of functions that are pre-set up, and then they also have some premium service that they offer too. So let's have a quick look anyway at My Wave Apps. So if we go to mywaveapps.com or just waveapps.com, and you can sign up or sign in with Google or with Yahoo, or you can use your email address and sign in. And I'm going to sign in with Google, and I already have accounts set up with Wave. Now, what I have done is I have set up a demo company, and I haven't posted any transactions or anything to this demo company. But I'm going to go back and I'm going to reset up a new company just to show you how you can set up a company. So if you go to Accounts and you go to Your Profile, and when you're in the Your Profile screen, what I want you to do is I want you to go to Businesses, and I want you to select Create a Business. Now, I am going to set up a hotel for our case study, and it's going to be called Jake's Palace. And the business type, and now if you select the most appropriate business type here, what it'll do is it'll produce a general ledger or a nominal ledger or a chart of accounts that's related to the products or the services or the type of business that you're in. So if you can be as specific as possible here when you're setting this up. So it's a hotel for our particular case study. And the organizational type, well, you have a choice: sole ownership, a partnership, or a corporation. So let's just go with sole. And I'm from Ireland, I'm going to leave in Ireland. And number of employees, let's just say 4. And our primary currency is euro, which I'm going to stick with and say save. Now, once we save this business is then set up as a new business. And if you go up here to the left of your screen, you can jump between your personal accounts and your business accounts. So you can have a number of accounts actually going on here in Wave. So what I've gone to now is I've gone to the dashboard, and on the dashboard down the left we have our menu, and our menu is the transactions, invoices, bills, receipts, accounting, reports, payroll, and pro services. Now, over the next number of videos we will go through as many of these as possible, and I will be adding to the case study as the weeks go by. And if you want access to this case study, there is a link below the video where you can hop over to my website and you can actually download all the stuff for the case study so you can practice along what you've actually seen here today. The next thing we're going to look at is we're going to look at the settings. And under settings we have financial settings, sales tax, payments, invoice customization, products, customers, vendors, and then we have others. And again, we'll be going through these as the weeks go on. But the first thing we're going to do is select financial settings. Now, financial settings is where you will pick your date format. So I'm going to pick this date format. It is where you are going to specify what your company or your business financial year end is, and in this case it's the 31st of December for this example, and the currency which we selected earlier on is euro, and I'm going to hit save. Now it's giving us some business settings, and it's saying the 3 things that you should do here. So you should customize your invoicing. I'm going to look at that in another video. Add some custom accounts. So this is your chart of accounts, and this is what we're going to look at here. This is your nominal ledger or your chart of accounts, and I have an article on the website. I'll drop a link again below this video on setting up a chart of accounts. But when you selected your business type, the Wave application gave you the best trial balance that it has pre-built in its system relating to your business type, and it has all accounts in there. Now, you may find that it doesn't have some of the accounts that you need. So if it doesn't have any of the accounts that you need, what you need to do is you need to go to add an account. Now, as we go through the case study, I will show you how to add accounts, because you'll need to know whether they are assets or liabilities or expenses or income, because this affects the actual trial balance, whether it's a debit or credit account. So that is your quick introduction to Wave accounting apps. Again, like I said, it's free. There is a resource available if you want to hop over to my website, where you can download a PDF that contains details of the case study that we're going to use throughout this series of videos. And if you download this, you can actually practice along. You can set up the same as what I'm setting up, and you can enter the same transactions that I'm entering, just so you can practice what you're actually learning. So if you want to pop over to the website for that, there's a link below the video so you can access the website. And if you like this video, I hope you'll remember to give the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.